Okay. Kung ano man yung buhay mo ngayon, kung nahihirapan ka ngayon, that was your decision 5 years ago. Ngayon, decisionan mo, this will be the end of my financial crisis. And 5 years from now, you will be proud of yourself. Diba? Yes! Okay? So ako, decisionan ko na 2 years ago. And that's why, I'm no longer having a problem with my finances. Diba? Oh, kung hindi ako nag-desisyon 2 years ago, asan ako ngayon? Eh siya, kung hindi siya nag-desisyon, asan siya ngayon? This is your now. You decide. If you will not decide now, 5 years from now, you will have the same life.
Yes.
You will have the same situation. Balikan mo yung 5 years mo, yung buhay mo. Kaparehas ang balik ngayon, it was your decision. I'm talking to you heart to heart already.